Hello, I'm Peter Dow, the manager of Rice for President Yahoo Group, supporting Condoleezza Rice for President from everywhere on the World Wide Web. November 2011 is an auspicious month for us, because now is when Condi's new book, No Higher Honour, is published and available to buy. My copy was delivered today, and so I decided to put on my Scottish National Standard Bearer outfit and video myself unboxing No Higher Honour. Let's see if we can get into it. Bought mine from Amazon, if you're interested. Wow, look at that. You can see that. That's something special, isn't it? Wow. Oh, and there's a quote in the back. Let's see this. You see that? Today's headlines and history's judgment are rarely the same. If you are too attentive to the former, you will most certainly not do the hard work of securing the latter. Condoleezza Rice. Very true. So, shall we take a look inside? Let's read the front page, obviously. Condoleezza Rice, No Higher Honour, a memoir of my years in Washington. Open it out, and we have something to read here. From one of the world's most admired women, this is former National Security Advisor and Secretary of State Condoleezza Rice's compelling story of 8 years serving at the highest levels of government, and regarded by some as the administration's most effective champion. Continued on back flap. In 2005, Rice was entrusted with even more responsibility when she was charged with helping to shape and carry forward the President's foreign policy as Secretary of State. Condoleezza Rice was the 66th US Secretary of State and the first black woman to hold that office. Prior to that, she was the first woman to serve as the National Security Advisor. She is a professor at Stanford University and co-founder of the Rice-Hadley Group. Rice is also the author of the New York Times best-selling Extraordinary Ordinary People, a memoir of family. And I can vouch for that book as well. Here's my copy. So let's take a look inside. No Higher Honour. Memoir of my years in Washington. Condoleezza Rice. List of her other books there. Dedications. Oh, let's read this. This is really good. To my parents. To the men and women in uniform who volunteered to defend us on the front lines of liberty. And to the diplomats and other civilians who serve in hard places to promote a balance of power that favours freedom. Oh, that's fantastic. And there's a list of contents. Wow. There's a lot of contents there. I won't read them all out. That's something for you to look forward to and get your own copy. Let's see, oh, there's some photographs here. Let's have a quick look at the photographs. That's always nice. Exploratory Committee in March 1999. dedicated to electing Texas Governor George W. Bush President of the United States. Governor Bush and my dad had a campaign stop in Palo Alto, July 1999. John Wesley Rice Jr. was a lifelong Republican. Paul Wolfowitz and I co-chaired a group of foreign policy specialists nicknamed the Vulcans, after my home city of Birmingham, Alabama, to advise the governor during the campaign. Wow. There's a lot of nice photographs there. You see this? Oh, great. Oh, that's fantastic. See these? Oh, epic. Terrific. Great stuff. Well, that's going to be a really good read. Oh, there's been another photograph section as well. Some more photographs here. Just seeing these photographs for the first time, so I haven't picked out a favourite as yet. But no doubt I will do that later. Super stuff. Some more photographs there. Condoleezza Rice featuring most of them as you would expect. That's terrific. Well, that's going to be a super read. Really looking forward to that. Okay, that's my coffee. So I certainly recommend that you get your own. Buy your own. Okay. Thanks very much and goodbye for now.